Hello everybody, welcome back. So I am back today with another unboxing. This is another box from JC Bargains Buys and this is the Paw Patrol box. So I wanted this the first time I went on the website. They didn't have it. I have done two previous unboxings from JC Bargains Buys. I'll leave them linked in the description in case you missed them. One was a craft box, one was the Sylvanian families box, and I was really impressed. I did really want the Paw Patrol box and I've just kept checking the website, and the other day it was there, so I managed to get it quick. This box cost me £20 plus £4.95 I think it was in postage. This one was dispatched really quickly. I'd say this was dispatched within 24 hours of me ordering, so a lot quicker. And on my last videos I was saying how the tape was lifting and the packaging wasn't like great. So much better on this box. You can see, look, you can see the tape is absolutely fine. It's not lifting. It's much better. So I'm really happy. I'm going to take this off and show you because I'm a bit blown away by the size of this box. This box is massive. So this is how big the box is. I don't know if you can quite make it out, but it is absolutely massive. I've just nearly fallen. So much better on the packing. There is a little bit of damage there that probably happened in transit, but overall it's so much better. So I'm really happy. I'm gonna open this now and blind react to it, so please do make sure you've hit the subscribe channel. This is normally a craft channel, but I'm a little bit addicted with mystery boxes, and I've actually won a mystery box as well from another company, so I'll tell you about that in a second. But yeah, let's open this and have a look at what's inside. Oh my goodness, this box is rammed. Okay, so the first thing I'm grabbing out is this giant floor puzzle. I got her one of these in a charity shop a little while ago. It's definitely got an interactive pen with it. I don't know if this is the same one she's already got. I will check. If she has already got this, this will make a great present for one of her friends for birthdays. Like, it's taped up, you can see. I would probably slip the tape over and just check it's all there. But yeah, this would make a great present for one of her friends if she hasn't already got this one. I definitely got her an interactive floor puzzle in a charity shop. So anyway, that's the first thing. I don't know how much these things retail for. I will see if I can like research it and put some prices up on the screen when I'm editing. But that is the first thing we have, which if she hasn't got, she will love. Like the next thing, oh my goodness, she is going to freak. She has got an Adventure Bay bath play set. So the packaging is a little bit battered. Absolutely don't care about that because I'll throw the packaging away anyway. There is Chase in his police car. There's a duck. And like, look, this can go in the bath. She's going to love this. She is going to go so nuts when she sees this. What's that do? I guess that does something. Anyway, she does like to have a bath. There's the thing, look, suction cups attached to the bath towels. She's going to love it. Absolutely love it. She does like to have a bath. She swims twice a week. Always give her a bathtub to swim in. I don't think I'm going to get her out of the bath very easily with this being in there, but I am really pleased with that. She hasn't got that. Hasn't got anything like that. And look, you can get other Paw Patrollers to go down it as well, by the look of it. So yeah, really pleased with that one. Right, there's more. What's this? Riders Pup. Oh my goodness, I'm never going to hear the end of this. She's going to love this. Amazon warehouse sticker. So I'm guessing this is either liquidated stock or a return. It's got an Amazon warehouse sticker on it. She's going to love it. I don't know what it does. Try me. Okay, well, it's in English, so that's good. Good start. Yeah, she's going to love that. I wonder if I can actually get away with keeping any of these till her birthday. Don't know. We'll see. She's going to love that. She's absolutely going to love that. Right. That's another. So there's still more. My goodness. What is this? Paw Patrol the movie. Looks like it's been opened. It looks like some kind of Lego style Mega Blocks Paw Patrol the movie. So it is in a bag, so it is a return, but she loves Lego, she loves Duplo. She's got all my Duplo from the 80s, so to get some Paw Patrol Duplo, she will love that. She is going to be so pleased. Just trying to work out whether it's supposed to come with a character or not. 2 vehicles. There's a picture of a character there. I don't know. Should we just open it really quickly and see? Let's just have a quick look. Right. I mean, I don't see a character there, I'll be honest. I dropped something, I don't know what I dropped. There's some bits, so maybe it doesn't come with a character. Or maybe when it was returned, it didn't get returned with the Lego. Don't know. She will still enjoy building that. There's the, I guess, the instructions. It does show a character. It shows a little Chase and he's not there. But you know, one of those things, she'll still have the car, she'll still love playing with it. So yeah, I can't be mad with that. I'm going to just put this away really quick and I'll be back. That's what I dropped. So it wasn't even the character going down. Okay, so a lot of the things are still in the plastic. The only thing that seems to be missing is potentially the character. Maybe that's why it was returned. She'll still enjoy playing with that, so that's fine. And you never know, I might be able to find the character in a charity shop or on eBay or something. You never know. Okay, there are 2 more things. So we have this. It's got an Amazon return sticker on it. Paw Patrol to the Rescue learning video game. Ooh. So it looks like some kind of, I don't know, plug in and game with the Paw Patrol. Goes on a leapfrog maybe. Let's just open this up really quick. Okay, Christmas bingo. So that's the quick start guide. So we have, I will have to test this before I give it to her and make sure it works. So I'd hate to give her something that's broken and then have her be upset. I don't know how this is supposed to work. Okay, that's to be investigated. I don't know what that is, USB or something. Right, this needs investigating. I don't really understand what we've got here. I think looking at some of the instructions, it does look like it connects to the television somehow. So I need to investigate that a little bit, but if it works, she will be over the moon with that. So So we'll just pop that back in the box and see what this last thing is. So this is the last thing. Melissa and Doug, ABC Block Truck Paw Patrol. Is that a little bit young for her though? It says 3+ over here. See? I suppose I could use it to like do counting and do one more than, one less than. I'm probably turn that into a, right, okay, let's do something educational, I guess. And it's got letters. She'll be happy with that. Again, it's in a bag. So I don't know whether maybe some of the stuff is missing. Okay, so we shall see. But I think we can definitely use that at least for counting games and things like that. And that is everything that was in my Paw Patrol mystery box from JC Bargain Buys. Was it worth £20? Absolutely. 100% worth £20. I've definitely got more than £20 of value here. I am going to check that leapfrog thing is working before I even show it to her, but I know she's going to really enjoy the pup pad and the bath set thing and all the other bits she will like. I don't know what I was expecting, I'll be honest. I think in the back of my mind thought there might be like characters or a playset or like the cars or something, but that's half the thing with mystery boxes. It's a mystery. You don't know what you're gonna get, and I just quite enjoy opening mystery boxes. I'll be totally honest. I'm quite pleased with what we've got. I think I can definitely use everything she's got, and quite looking forward to showing her when she comes home from the park. So definitely go and check out JC Bargain Buys. I think the packaging, that's got 100 times better since my last two boxes. No issues with the packaging. The dispatch, there was only one delivery option this time, which was the £4.95 one. It came by every and it's come quite quick, I'll be honest. So yeah, I think these are really good guys and well worth your money. I'm going to keep looking because I would really like a cleaning box that I've seen them have up occasionally. Not the Spanish cleaning products one, they just do a cleaning box. Yeah, I'd quite like to try that one. But there's all sorts on there. There's loads of different ones for kids. There are clothing ones. I've seen vaping ones. I've seen perfume, makeup, you name it. They've got some. There was a car cleaning one on there the other day. Lots of different ones to choose from, and they're really fair and they're giving you really great value for money. It is a mystery. It is a bargain. It is return stock or liquidated stock or whatever it is. I've showed you how all mine have come. But as you can see, there's been nothing wrong so far. I've been really quite pleased. So go and have a look. Let me know if you get anything, and let me know what you think of the contents of this box. I'd love to know. Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate everyone that comes and watches my videos. I will be back soon with some more crafting videos. So until next time, take really good care, have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.